Hello everyone, I'm very excited to announce that I have started as the CEO of DeepHow. DeepHow is a leading AI solutions company addressing the core needs of manufacturing and its frontline workers. When you realize more than 50% of the manufacturing workforce is eligible for retirement, and the knowledge might walk off the door with them, you recognize a $2.3 trillion industry just in the US with 300,000 factories employing 13 million people undergoing a profound change. That is where DeepHow comes in. With 100 plus customers, a leading video companion, leveraging generative AI technology, focusing on manufacturing frontline training and execution. We are backed by marquee investors, to name a few: Sierra, Alt, Qualcomm Ventures, LG Ventures. The company is poised to make a material difference in a space that direly needs innovation and technology intervention. Why DeepHow? Why did I choose DeepHow? When I contemplated this question, I thought deeply about what I wanted to do next. As I peeled a few layers in the process of introspection, a few things came out. Yes, money came out, but not a personal motivator anymore. Career growth, not enough to leave a fantastic job I had aside. But one thing that stood up: when does work not feel like work? When do I feel the urge to get going on a Sunday night? That is when I see the impact of my work. When I realize what I do makes a material difference to the people and the customers you serve. A feeling that I enjoyed during my time at Antony. It is a bit of a small company thing, it's a bit of a startup thing, but it's also innovation and high growth situation that entices me. So when DeepHow came up, manufacturing and frontline are familiar space for me. But most importantly, what piqued my interest is the nature of impact DeepHow has been creating. Elimination of fatal safety incidents, 20% improvement in overall equipment efficiency, $500,000 savings a week, 70% reduction in turnover. Think about an industry that is the size of manufacturing and making this kind of impact, what it means for the economy. Those who are used to my dry sense of humor, I always used to joke as much as I enjoy the connection and the entertainment factor and an additional filter in social media. I always wished for the finest brains in technology and the investment to go towards the industries that are backbone of the economy, that employs wide variety of people, like that of manufacturing. I decided to invest my time and energy in building DeepHow and taking it to its potential and make a profound impact in this space. I hope I get to fulfill the trust the investors and founders have put in me. And I'm looking forward to this journey. Thank you.